In this lecture, we discuss the title font styles in Filmora 12, how to change the font style of your titles in Filmora, right? So upon your Filmora, drag and drop your project, right? And then click on the titles and then click on the trending or new, or just select the plain text, right? We just discussed the plain text. From here, drag and drop this title, right? And first I play so, and then I fuse your video, and from here drag and drop or resize it, right? And from here you see the preset, and then click this window and you also see the word art. So scroll down it, right? You see all the word art. So if I click this black, so it will be changed, and from here I change the font style, right? So I want to use the Arial, right? I select it, and from here I want to change the size, right? And from here you also change the size, right? And from here you edit your titles. You also use the word art, change from here as you want. So select your desired color from here, right? You also change it to word art to the preset. It is the preset, right? And from here you also change the colors. So first I select, and from here you also change the colors, right? Select any color if you want, and the color will be changed from here, right? From here you also rotate it. From here you reset it. From here you also rotate it, and from here resize it. You also edit more titles from here, right? So I downloaded this title, click on download, and then drag and drop on the top of here, right? And from here edit it, and from here change its style, and from here resize it, and from here rotate it, resize it, and then move it, and from here you change the color, and from here I want to change its color. So yellow color is the best. And from here you also scale it, increase and decrease from here, right? From here you also rotate it, and from here you also reset it. From here you change the position, X position and the Y position. Now I click on it and the X position is changed, and when I move to the left side the position is changed. And from here you also change the Y position, the up and the down. You also click on it and enter your values, so the position is changed, right? So I reset it, and from here we click on it to see the advanced option. So I click on the advanced, right? So from here I change the color fill, gradient, and from here you change the effect. From here you change the capacity, the color capacity, right? From here you increase, decrease the blur, the angle, and from here you also change the other option, the bold option, the italic, right, and the size. From here you also change the font, right. I want to change it, then change the color, again the yellow, then click on OK, right. And from here you also the quick test, right, select it and you also change it, right. And from here you also change the picture, edit an image, right. And from here edit a shape, so click on it and from here edit a shape. You also type anything, right, press enter, right, reshape it and then click on the apply and it will be apply, right. So from here I play it. From here you again select it and then click on it to delete it, right. So it will be deleted. So it is a second class of titles, how to use titles in Filmora 12.